Hi everyone, in previous my video I showed you how to make a pattern for the soft fabric ball, and today I'm going to use this pattern to make a soft fabric ball. I will need cotton fabric, the pattern, scissors, rotary cutter, not necessary, threads. I'm going to use only white threads, any erasable marker, water soluble or air erasable marker, or pencil for the fabric, or pins instead of markers. Let's get started, and I'll show you several methods how you may cut out the details, and depends on what you have, so you will choose any option. First, iron all the fabric you are going to use. I'm going to lay my pattern on the bias. So I will take my fabric. I know that here I have a straight grain and here I have crosswise grain, so I will fold the fabric, aligning the straight grain with the crosswise grain, and I will press just slightly with my fingers. So I will have this mark here on the fabric, I mean the crease here. So, and I will place my pattern on the bias, aligning the pattern, and I will pin it. Again, find the bias, pin the pattern, and use a rotary cutter to cut out the detail, but very carefully, don't cut the pattern itself. Here I have a selvage. I will place my ruler to find out the bias. Place your pattern and trace the pattern on the fabric. I'm using an erasable marker. Place all the details in order. Since I'm making rainbow ball, so it's important that all the colors come in right order. So I'm going to divide all the pieces into two groups. First, I will assemble these 3 pieces and then these 4 pieces, and only then I will sew them together. The needle is in the center of the presser foot. I installed the needle number 80. Stitch length is on 2. Start sewing here at this point, then reverse and forward. here I have two details and I will assemble them since it's rainbow ball, like so. The purple detail with the red one. Here I will have a gap here to be able to turn out the ball. I will sew along the edge on the red detail and on the purple detail with the needle without threads. So I will have here marks from the needle, and when I turn out the ball I will see those holes from the needle. So, and it will be my guide to blind stitch the ball, to finish the ball. All seam allowances should come in one direction. Start sewing at this point here. I will sew all around and I will stop sewing here. If you are going to insert any noise maker like squeaker, plastic squeaker, or any rattle ball or anything, then you must leave the length of the gap, depends on your squeaker, for example. Trim off the thread, but leave quite long tail, because I will use this thread to blind stitch the ball, those two details. I forgot to pull the thread to the right side. I will do this now. Now I'm going to use elastic cord to make a loop for the ball, so it will be possible to hang the ball on the stroller, for example, or anywhere. I will stuff the ball using polyester toy filler. When half of the ball is stuffed, I will insert the rattle ball. Now, using same thread, I will blind stitch the gap. So this is the ball. Also I made this one using the plush fabric and stuffed with those soft balls. So this is it. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.